Hi, this is Judy Jacobs from the Tech Wizard. Today, I want to give you a short little demonstration of how to scan a copy of your COVID vaccine card to your phone so that you have digital access to it in case of disaster. Couple of thoughts on the COVID card. First of all, you should not laminate it. You must keep a copy of the original as it is in case they have to give you a booster shot. They can write on it. What you can do is make a copy of that card and laminate the copy. But you also don't need to carry that card around with you. If you're going to need access to it, first of all, you'll have it on your phone or your iPad or your computer so that you can send it to somebody or flip it out in case you need it. If you need it for travel, you will also have digital access, and then you can email that or otherwise send it to someone. So let's talk about how we're going to do that. On the iPhone, the Files app and the Notes app both have document scanning capabilities. We're going to learn how to scan a copy of the card with the Files app. You do not want to take a picture of the card because that's not a document format. You want to keep a copy of the COVID vaccine card in a document format, which is a PDF format. And that's what scanning a document allows you to do. So here we go. I'm going to put up my phone on the screen. Don't worry that my phone doesn't look like your phone. It's not going to, because we're all individuals. Here's the Files app. If you cannot find it on your screen, just pull down from the middle of your screen, do a search for the Files app, and then you can open it from there. You can see, first of all, you want to be in the Browse tab. Wherever you are in the Browse tab, which is on the lower right corner of the menu, you'll see the icon, which is an icon for a menu or more items. If you tap that blue circle with the dots, there is the function that allows you to scan documents. So we're just going to tap Scan Documents. Now, when you place the document in front of the phone is going to automatically put a blue border around it. You can see as it's doing it, and it will automatically snap the picture. I'm going to flip this over like I'm taking side 2 as well. And when it finds those borders, it automatically snaps the pictures. And you can see here, now this is not really precise because of the way that the index card has lines on it, but it's good enough for right now. You do have the option to retake right here, which you can do. Or if you are satisfied with this, you can tap Done, which I'm going to do. And then I'm going to tap Save in the lower right corner here. And there's the document we just scanned. Now, one of the most important things to do is to name the document. So I am actually going to hold my finger on the name. And when I do, I tap and hold my finger, I get this menu. I'm going to tap on Rename. And I'm going to name this COVID vaccine demo. Click Done. And when I tap it to open it, you can see the share icon is available right here. If I tap share, I have the ability now to email this item to whoever I need to email it to, or I can text it if I wanted to, or send it some other way, including printing it should you lose it and not be able to find it. So that's it. It's pretty simple. I hope this has been helpful and that you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.